Back to school doesn't have to be boring. Check this out. From 3D printers to coding robots, Atlab Shop Online has everything for a smarter school year. And the best part? It's super easy. Just visit atlabshoponline.com, scroll, shop and save. Everything you need for back to school is right here. When children use these kits, they just don't study. They explore, experiment and discover. They become more confident and creative with every project they do. And here's the best part. During the back to school promotion at Atlab Shop Online, you can save up to 25% on top STEAM resources like Lego Education, Xmaker, Cubo and Ozobot. But hurry, offer is valid only until 25th September. Here's an exclusive back to school deal. Get an Xmaker 3D printer with one filament included. We'll give you another filament absolutely free. Start the school year with innovation. Shop now at atlabshoponline.com.